आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, we are given with the question and the question says that it is found experimentally that 13.6 electron volt energy is required to separate a hydrogen atom into a proton and an electron. Compute the orbital radius and velocity of electron in a hydrogen atom. So the total energy, which is represented by E, is given 13.6 electron volt. This is the energy required to separate electron and proton in a hydrogen atom. So we are given with the total energy. So now we'll convert it into joules. So 13.6 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So it will come out to be minus 22 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule. So this is the our energy in joule. So it will be in minus because the hydrogen atom is deficient of this much of energy, and if we give this much of energy, the proton and electron will be separated. So it is in deficiency. So that is why we put minus sign over here. So in question it is written that this amount of energy is needed to separate electron and proton. So that means the energy presently in the hydrogen atom is it is in deficiency, and that is why we put minus sign over here. So it comes out to be minus 22 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule. So the formula for total energy is known to us, which is equal to E is equal to minus E square upon 8 pi epsilon naught R. So here we'll make R as a subject, which is radius. So we get minus of E square upon 8 pi epsilon naught E. So here R is equal to 1 upon the value of 1 upon 8 pi epsilon naught. 1 upon 8 pi epsilon naught is 9 multiplied by 10 to the power 9 upon 2 multiplied by, there is minus, and we'll put minus over here. The value of E square is 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 square whole upon the value of E, which we have find out in joules, which is minus 22 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 18. So minus and minus cancel out, so we'll get R comes out to be 5.3 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11 meters. So this is the radius of hydrogen atom, orbital radius. So now we'll calculate the velocity of electron in a hydrogen atom. So the velocity of electron in an hydrogen atom is given by the formula. So the formula is V is equal to E upon under root 4 pi epsilon naught mass and mass multiplied by radius. So here we'll put the values. So the mass of electron we know. So velocity is equal to E is 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 upon root of 4 pi, which is 22 by 7 multiplied by 4 pi epsilon naught. We can write the value of 4 pi epsilon naught over here. So the value of 4 pi epsilon naught is 9.1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 31. So here we can write, this is the, so value of 4 pi epsilon naught is 1 upon 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 multiplied by radius. So radius we have calculated 5.3 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11. So here the velocity comes out to be, so this comes out to be 2.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 meters per second. So this is the velocity. So we'll write our answer. The orbital radius R is equal to 5.3 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11 meters, and the velocity is 2.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 meters per second. So this is our final answer. Thank you students.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।